Good morning from Leyte.
Good morning.
So, finally, naabot na akong bana dire sa the Malaria Compound here in Sugod, Southern Leyte. Say hi to my vlog, guys.
I vlog.
Today is my father's birthday and nagkatapok na jud me as a family. So, nisod na mi karon sa balay sa kong tiyo, guys. Hi.
Nanindot sa mga.
My name is Asian Shakes. Mga amig show powder, guys.
Dito na mga ko sa Thailand. Dito sa Hong Kong.
May vlogger sa likod.
Day!
Dali vlogger.
Sawadikap!
Sawadee.
So, we just arrived here in Balsa Cafe. I'll give you a tour here. So, anira siguro may maniud to, guys. Sa Balsa Cafe. So, while waiting for our food, guys, nag-picture-picture sa Midari sa may palayan. Chill Midari, guys. Relax, relax. Snack time, guys, with my family. This is Tacloban City, guys. Unsa ni day MacArthur Landing Memorial Park day. Hello, guys. Nabot na mi diri sa Liluan. Wow! Ka-nice! Wow! So, mangita may cottage sa dapit. Hi guys! So, nami karon sa asa kanita Bituon Beach. Beach vibes pala yung ano mo ngayon, atake. So, ito si Moana, guys. At ito yung ano kasama ni Moana. Going home is the key. We're going in. Dibayad kami 40 pesos, guys, for the environmental fee and entrance fee. Hala, bitin! Bitin siya! Oh my gosh! Guys, naanami diri lahang Sarah, my friend here sa ilang balay sa province of Leyte. Matumig spring, guys. Muna mong gisakyan karon. drink coffee. We're here guys in Ayas Hill. Next destination namin is to go there. Shout it out! So nag-purchase na may og ticket for rainbow slide. So slide me dito guys. So dito may nipalit og ticket. Pa-slide na mi guys sa rainbow slide ticket. Sunset na guys. Nice kaayo ang sunset. Bye minions! The night view. Welcome to my life. And we are here in Sea of Clouds.
Ato ka dito ka day.
Bye-bye! We're going home, guys. Manya mo ang ride pa doon sa boardwalk bye-bye. So, dito may dinner. And then, ulit namin 9 p.m. Team Lagan! May mga for dinner, guys. Here, sa port. Karong magpaypay para maluto dayon. Uwi na kami.